Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about revision number 1 this chapter number 4 agriculture. It's for class 8 subject geography. So today's revision number 1 is a fill in the blanks. So okay, it's an annual exam revision. So first see here one by one we are solving that, some fill in the blanks. Okay, see here first question, dash dash and dash are good examples of primary activity. So the answer is coming here. So first one, agriculture, fishing and gathering. Okay, once again I repeating this one. Agriculture, fishing and gathering are good examples of primary activity. Next, question number 2, weaving of cloth. Weaving of cloth is example of dash activity. The answer is secondary activity. The answer is secondary activity. Next, third question, transport, trade, banking, insurance and advertising are examples of dash activity. See here, transport, trade, banking, insurance and advertising are examples of tertiary activity. So next question, dash is a primary activity. Dash is a primary activity. The answer is agriculture. The answer is agriculture. Dash persons are engaged in agriculture activity. The answer is 50%. 50% of persons are engaged in agriculture activity. So next see here, sixth one, dash of India's population is still dependent on agriculture. So the answer is two-thirds of India's population is still dependent on agriculture. So once again I repeated this one. First question, agriculture, fishing and gathering are good examples of primary activity. Second one, weaving of cloth is example of secondary activity. Third one, transport, trade, banking, insurance and advertising are examples of tertiary activity. So next question, agriculture is a primary activity. So next one, 50% persons are engaged in agriculture activity. Next one, two-thirds of India's population is still dependent on agriculture. So next question again, continue here only. Okay. Next, question number 7. Dash culture is a cultivation of grapes. So the answer is viticulture. Viticulture is a cultivation of grapes. And next question, farming can be classified into two main types, dash farming and dash farming. The answer is subsistence farming, and commercial farming. Subsistence farming and commercial farming. So next question, shifting cultivation is also known as dash agriculture. So the answer is slash and burn agriculture. So next one, so dash move from place to place with their animals. Dash move from place to place with their animals. The answer is herdsman. herdsman. So once again repeated these questions. Dash culture is a cultivation of grapes. The answer is here viticulture. Farming can be classified into two main types: subsistence farming and commercial farming. Shifting cultivation is also known as slash and burn agriculture. Next, herdsmen move from place to place with their animals. So next question again, continue. So next one, question number 11. Question number 11. In dash farming, crops are grown and animals are reared. For sale in market. The answer is commercial. The answer is commercial. Next question. Dash and dash are common commercially grow grains. Commercially grown grains. Okay. Dash and dash are common commercially grown grains. The answer is wheat and maize. Wheat and maize. Next question. Major plantations are found in the dash of the world. The answer is tropical regions. Next one. Dash is the major food crop of the world. The answer is here rice. Next question. Dash requires moderate temperature and rainfall. The answer is wheat. See here. Once again I repeated this one. In commercial farming, crops are grown and animals are reared for sale in market. Wheat and maize are common commercially grown grains. So next, major plantations are found in the tropical regions of the world. So So next question, rice is the major food crop of the world. So next one, wheat requires moderate temperature and rainfall. See here, so today's you will learn, means you have learned today's class, revision number 1, it's a part 1. Okay, part 1 is completed here, total 15, fill in the blanks are completed. And next part explaining again revision number 1, fill in the blanks. I am continuing in next class. Thank you.